Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Yati, and once again I'm here to practice my English speaking skills. So right now this is the morning time, and I'm going to show you each here. As you can see, there are around me there are so many plants and trees, so I'm going to show you each and every plants one by one. So now let me show you this one. This is the neem tree, as you many of you know. This is the neem tree, and yeah, I have taken its leaves many times, but I didn't take juice. Yeah, now this is very interesting because this is the bel patri. Yeah, as you can see, this is the bel patri, and we offered to Shiva, especially in the time of Mahashivratri. It is believed that one is the symbol of Vishnu, and one is the symbol of Shiva, and one is the symbol of Brahma. Yeah, it is considered, so it is offered to Lord Shiva in the time of Mahashivratri especially. Now let me show you this one. So this is the fig tree, but it is not producing fruit yet because it is very small. And now this one, so this is the hibiscus flower. Yeah, hibiscus flower, as you can see there are so many flowers. So it has completely bloomed, yeah, but it is very small, maybe because of lack of water. And now another one, so this is the jackfruit. Yeah, this is the jackfruit, and it is also not producing fruit because maybe lack of water, because it is very small, means it is very big, but it is not giving fruit yet. There was fruit, but every fruit has got dry. Yeah, so this one, so this is the coconut plant, as you know. This is the coconut plant. And this one, so this is the oleander plant. Yeah, oleander plant. And as you can see, there are flowers. Yeah, but it is also very small. Yeah, and here behind me, as you can see, this is the boundary. It is made of stones. Yeah, so it took very much time to make. And this is the indoor plant. It is called, I think, snake plant. Yeah, it is the indoor plant. I have seen in the cities it is planted inside. Yeah, and this is the custard apple plant, custard apple. And right now there is also not fruit because it is, I think it gives fruit in the time of winter, and it is the summer time, it is the summer season, right? And this one, so this is very big, and this is very long, and its leaves are very big. Yeah, very big, as you can see. And here, so this one is very big tree, and I think it is dense tree, means बहुत घना है. And this is the view of sky, as you can see, and it is looking very beautiful, right? Now let me show you one more interesting thing. I think it is not interesting, but let me show you. So this is the water tap. Yeah, this is the water tap, and it is almost in everyone's house, but unfortunately water doesn't come, right? Now let me show you this one. So this is the sami, yeah, a small one, and it is also offered to Lord Shiva. Yeah, every time, not only in the time of Mahashivratri. And this is the wood. Yeah, these are woods, and we use them to make food. Yeah, right. Now let me show you this place. So this is the place where cows are tied, but right now there is no any cow. And here, so you can see that you can hear that birds are chirping. And in the morning especially, they comes, means they come very much, sparrows come. Now let me show you one more interesting thing. So here she is. Yeah, here. And if you ask me, like, what is her hobby, so she likes jumping very much. She jumps like a horse. She is a horse like this, and she loves fighting to everyone. Yeah, she is very, means she likes fighting. And when she meets someone in the first time, she appeared. But right now, means she's not timid, but see, just in the first time when she meet in the first time, as you can see, she is very, means she is to me, she is jumping very much, and she is fighting with me. Yeah, see, and I'm not going to untie her because she will trouble me very much. I know that is why I'm not going to untie her. And this is the place. There are so many trees, and but they are not producing fruit yet. I'm going to upstairs to the roof, and I'll do exercise little bit, and then I will make video. Then I'll again do household works.